Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about petroleum refining and petrochemical technology (PRPC). Today discuss about unit number 5 petrochemicals. Topic is about manufacturing of important compound C2 compound જેમાં બે કાર્બન હોય બરાબર. This is a ethylene dioxide is a one carbon and second one carbon. તો જોઈશું આપણે મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ of important C2 compound માં અને પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે જોઈ ગયા હતા ethanol and also formaldehyde. Now the manufacturing process ethylene dioxide, ethylene oxide. Now discuss the manufacturing process of ethylene dioxide with the flow sheet. Okay, it is a single step reactions which include direct oxidation part of ethylene over linear catalyst or a part of this flow diagram. Okay, it is a single step reactor which include direct oxidation of ethylene over linear catalyst. And which is the equation? This is the CH2 double bond CH2 plus 1/2 O2 gives A by G CH2 O bond CH2 plus energy. This is the main equations for ethylene oxide. For exothermic heat has to be removed to control the reaction. Exothermic heat has to remove to control this reaction. This mixture is passed over similar catalyst in a multi-tabular reactor for 200 to 300 degrees Celsius and a pressure is equal to 1 to 3 megapascal. Okay, the reactor is multi-tabular type in which catalyst is packed in a tubes also and a cell side. For a heat removal is done by the circulating heat transfer. The heat transfer salts or by generating steam also. Now the products are the heat exchange and adsorbed in water. The ethylene oxide goes into the water and other gases are recycled or a parity for rejected out in this phase. Okay, આપણે completely free mean જોઈશું I mean expression પણ again. Discuss the manufacturing process of ethylene oxide with a flow diagram. It is a single step reaction which include direct oxidation of ethylene over a linear catalyst. The CH2 double bond CH2 plus 1/2 O2 gives the delta by silver compound આપણે એડ કરીશું. And then the CH2 O bond CH2 ethylene oxide plus energy છૂટું પડશે. Now the exothermic heat has to remove all the control reactions for a part of the ethylene oxide. Now the mixture is passed over in a similar catalyst in a multi-tabular reactor. Temperature is equal to 200 to 300 degrees Celsius and P is equal to 1 to 3 megapascals. And the reactor is a multi-tabular type in which catalyst is packed in a tubes. For a cell side heat removal is done by circulating heat transfer and the generating steams for in these processes. Okay, the main processes are the heat exchanger absorbed in water. For ethylene oxide goes into the water and other gases are recycled or partly rejected in the out. But now simply main flow diagram જોઈશું હવે. This is the main flow diagram. First of all, the bypasses through ethylene oxide. In the first steps, bypass to the ethylene oxide in the reactor 1. Okay, now then this part of the bypass to this which equation for a separator 1 and a separator 2. Fractionator column 1 and a fractionator column 2 છે. This is fractionator part 2 and bypass to this reactor 1, reactor 2. Okay, then for evaporation part, for this vacuum distillation, vacuum part, for distillation column 1, this is distillation column 2. For this is a part of the glycol section and ethylene oxide section. Okay, this is the two part, ethylene glycol या ethylene oxide. Simply, this is the main distillation part में જોઈએ હવે આપણે. For ethylene oxide is a rightly wanted the chemical in a detergent industries. Okay, detergent industry must say obviously, and it serves as the basic chemical for glycolamines and serves in a dehydrated adhesives too. This is the part. Which one? The first part is bypass to the સુઈ લીધું છે પહેલાં તો is a reactor 1 and a reactor 2 ethylene part માટે. This one and this one. Okay, ethylene and a reactor in the separator part 1. Cyclate water part in the fractionator column 1. Okay, which this is the first steps. Now bypass to the second column. Which one is there? Separator 2, fractionator column 2. In upper part bypass to this reactor. Then connect to this is bypass operation for evaporator and hydrator for vacuum part. Then last steps is the distillation column 1, distillation column 2. Okay, triethyl glycol and distillation column 2 ના પાર્ટમાં diethyl glycol, ethylene oxide section and glycol section ના બે પાર્ટ આપેલા છે. Okay, this is a completely figure part. For which one is the first steps? This is this one reactor 1 and ethylene glycol. Separator 1 bypass to the connected for recycle phase column 1, 2 separator. This is a column 1 and 2 part. This upper part to connect this one. So this section and this section ethylene glycol and ethylene dioxide. Okay, now main reaction is this one for a manufacturing process of ethylene glycol with a flow sheet. It is a single step reactor which included direct oxidation of the ethylene over these phases for a catalyst, and this reaction CH2 double bond CH2 plus 1/2 O2 gives the A by Ag delta. એટલે હિટ કરવું અને સેકન્ડ ફિઝિક્સ પર છે તે CH2O CH2 પ્લસ એનર્જીનો પાર્ટ છે. For exothermic heat has to be removed to control this reaction. Okay, now this mixture is passed over the similar catalyst in the multitabular reactor. Okay, this mixture is passed over the silver catalyst in a multitabular reactor is a temperature range के लिए 200 થી 300 ની રેન્જ છે ની 200 થી 300 degree Celsius and pressure is equal to 1 to 3 megapascals. And this mixture is passed to this reactor, and the reactor is a multitabular type is in which catalyst is packed in a tubes. The cell side heat removal is done by the circulating heat transfer safe degenerating system. The particular products in the are the heat exchange operations. Ethylene oxide goes into the water and other gases are recycled or partially rejected out. Okay, follow this flow diagram. Okay, for ethylene glycol reaction 1 basis in the ethylene oxide, it's a separator part 1 and a separator 2. This system IP છે. And the fractionation column 1, fractionation column 2 for ethylene oxide. For a evaporator and hydrator, the bypass to the vacuum, distillation column 1, distillation column 2. For this basis, for a glycol reactions, for a trickle bed glycol, and they diverted for this section for a now ethylene glycol is the main part, glycol section and ethylene glycol part. Ethylene oxide is a highly wanted chemicals in a detergent industries. It is dissolved in a basic chemical reaction amines. Okay, next લેક્ચરમાં આપણે HDP અને LDP બે સેશન જોવાના છે. સિમ્પલી ફિગર છે નહીં. પોલિસ્ટાયરીન, LDP માટે મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ પ્રોસેસ છે. સમ રિવિઝન પાર્ટ જોઈશું અત્યારે આપણે. બેઝિક સ્ટેપ જોઈ ગયા હતા. વોટ ઇઝ અ ક્રેકિંગ? આ ક્રેકિંગ માટે આપણે મેઇન રિવિઝન જોઈશું. Discuss the thermal cracking operation and properties of crack material. The cracking is the process where is by complex organic molecules such as for a kerosene or long-term chain hydrocarbon are broken down into the simpler molecules such as light hydrocarbons by the breaking of the carbon bond is formations and any reactions. Okay, some properties of the crack material in second chapter में આપણે discuss કરી ગયા હતા, જેને revision part છે. The products of cracking have different properties because of unsaturation part. The properties are entirely dependent upon these conditions of cracking. Okay, these properties are energy entirely dependent upon the conditions of the cracking. Okay, a cracked product acquires the refractory nature for this section, and for economic way of cracking, the heavy components from of the crack product are mixed with a incoming charge and allowed to the crack. The following properties are expanded the change. The first one is C factor, यानी कि characterization factor, union oil product. Second one boiling point, pour point, viscosity માટે જોઈશું. Now the unsaturation and aromatization for partition increases for almost the substances, and the octet number increase થશે ત્યારે એ જોઈશું. The sulfur is cracked product for heaviest increases, although much may be escaped in the form of the hydrogen sulfide also. Then the oxidation stability decreases for cracking being endothermic reactions and external heating requires. For waste way to produce more of this described low volatile fractions is by cracking the intermediate obtains in this operation, and the pressure and temperature are the main parameter which govern these cracking operations, and the given pressure and temperature per consist of this temperature. To yield of light fractions is the function of time, and the time of the cracking at the sense of this API gravity. Okay, so this is the revision part. Thank you so much.